FDA team has today conducted an evening inspection along the coastal belt. These are part of our inspections that we've been carrying out in the past few months, and once again we have scaled up our activities, and we have checked several outlets selling biryani on the roadside. From our post checks, it has been noted that some of them have taken corrective steps, but yet a few of them have gone a bit complacent. And through your channel, we want to pass a message that in this coming approaching season, no one should get complacent. We will be scaling up our checks again to ensure that all the outlets in our coastal area, as well as in the city, all the restaurants, the cashew shops especially, and other street food vendors will be thoroughly checked in the next coming 1 or 2 months. Also giving an update on the cashew nuts, the poster that we have unveiled in coordination with the Goa Forest Development Corporation. We have once again commenced fixing these posters also in the cashew shop, which is the informative brochure on what are the things that the public has to look at while purchasing cashew nuts. So these checks will continue in the next 1 or 2 months, and we want to appeal once again to the food business operators to take necessary corrective actions, and if they have any difficulties, doubt, they can get in touch with the FDA and correct themselves, give a proper hygienic food to the public. Also anyone engaged in any artificial ripening will also be taken down very strictly. In the past 2-3 months we have done a lot of awareness, and now when we are going to check, we will be strict and we will be booking cases right away. So this is the message that we want to pass to you all. Today's action, we have once again closed down these biryani outlets which are sitting on the roadside alongside with their vessels. Although they have corrected their hygiene in the kitchen, but we have advised them not to sit on the footpath because that creates cross contamination. Similarly, the ones who are selling shawarma, we have also advised them to move into their shop vicinities, and we have also checked a few cashew shops, and in 1 or 2 shops where the quality was doubtful, we have asked them to dispose the cashew. So this has been a summary of the work that we have done today, and this will continue in the next 2-3 weeks. And once again, we also want to appeal to those units preparing breakfast early in the morning, which we had done around a month ago. We have got inputs that they have started again. So we would like to appeal to them not to engage in such activities and to take the requisite permissions from the FDA. And we would also like to appeal to the local body, that is the panchayats and the municipalities, to support us in this initiative.
The poultry area?
Primarily, आयज जे आमी केला ते आरपोरा, कलांगूट ह्या बेल्टान केल्ले आसा. CD. And one restaurant also we have closed down. This was closed a week ago, but again we had got an input that they have reopened. So we have given them a second notice with a strict warning that if they continue operating, then we will be filing a case against them.
तुम्ही त्यांचे शॉप बंद केले तरी पण
बंद केला, पण तांणी परते चालू केल्ले, giving a thing that they misunderstood certain things, but we have explained to them properly, and we have given them a strict warning that if they continue flouting these norms, then we will be taking the strictest of punishments against them.
रोड साइड तुझे स्टॉल्स तुम्ही हे केले पळय रिपीटेड तांकां कितें तेजेर सेकंड एक्शन जातली
आता मेनली परते तांकां आमी वॉर्निंग दिल्ले आसा, आनी ह्या फुडें जे कितें अशें रोड सायड मेळटलें तांकां आमी स्ट्रिक्टली तांचो एक कॉम्पोजीट डेटा करून पंचायतीक दितले, आनी पंचायती कडेन अपील करतले की तांचे जे कितें ट्रेड लायसन्स आसा ते तांणी रिवोक करचे, आनी सिमिलरली आमचे FDA परमिशन जी तांचे कडेन आसा जाल्यार ती आमी रिवोक करतले. सो एट दीस स्टेज वी वील बी रिवोकिंग परमिशन. सो दिस इज वॉट इज द मेसेज दॅट वी वील पास, बिकॉज इन द पास्ट 4 to 5 months enough of awareness has been done to the people, but now we will be taking the next step of action, that is suspension, revocation of licenses.
So second action will be taken with the coordination with the
Panchayat again is working in coordination with us. So once we have stop FDA license, we also write to the local body to revoke their permissions, because when the Panchayat gives a license, they put a condition in their license that they have to abide to the norms of the FDA, they have to abide to the norms of the health department. So if they are violating our norms, it is our duty to inform the local body, and violating the FDA norm is also violating the conditions of the trade license. So based on that, they can take action. So that is how we will be writing to the local bodies as well.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.